बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम एवरीडे की क्लास के अंदर 140 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। इन जनरल विंड स्पीड ऑफ 10 to 13 किलोमीटर पर आवर कॉज माइनर और नो डैमेज। नेक्स्ट है क्लॉक विच removes with the velocity is comparable with the velocity of light run slow. Next is the famous book Al Qanun was written by Muslim scientist Abu Ali Sina. Next है which triplet in DNA codes for valine. इसके अंदर none of these आंसर है। Next है chemical name of vinegar is dilute acetic acid. उसके बाद है chemical name of next which of the following layer make radio transmission possible. Ionosphere. Next है which of the following atmosphere layer help in radio communication. Ionosphere. Next है animal which captures and readily kills living animal for its food is called predator. Next है in a fission nuclear reaction a heavy nucleus break up into smaller nuclei, whereas in another nuclear reaction two or more than two possible nuclei are focused to form a heavy nucleus. This nucleus reaction is called fusion nuclear reaction. Next, a nuclear reactor is a device used to carry out controlled nuclear reaction, whereas GM counter is a device used to detect nuclear radiation. Next, red blood corpuscles are formed in the bone marrow. Next, which is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Next, medulla oblongata is a part of human brain. Next, when a person enters a dark room from a bright light, he is not able to see clearly from a little while because the iris is unable to dilate the pupil immediately. आज का आखिरी सवाल है The greenhouse effect is caused by an excess of carbon dioxide. आज के लिए इतना, बाकी नेक्स्ट से चलता। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।